in his book Mit Tigens Wischen Himmel underd. Adolf Hitler's personal pilot Hans Bohr writes that over the course of his service, he flew a total of 13 Condors. By this, he was referring to 13 well-known Focke-Wulf FW-200 Condor aircraft that were at the disposal of the Third Reich's government. Out of these 13 planes, only 3 can be regarded as true for aircraft. Fu-200V3, which initially carried the registration D2600, later WL+2600, and ultimately 26+00. FW-200C4, U1, factory number 137, registrations plus IB, configured with 11 passenger seats. FW-200C4, U2, factory number 138, registrations plus IC, featuring a 14-seat layout.